Yo, what's going on YouTube? CJ Brand is here with another YouTube video for you guys once again today. Now today we're going to be checking out some Apple Watch tip of the glass watch cases, just because, you know, we got the Apple Watch Series 7 and we ain't got no sort of protection on it. So this company right here, they sent us over about like 5 of them. Yeah, I would say 5 cases just for our Apple Watch Series 7 today. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at them and make sure that these are going to be that stuff for them. Let's get straight into the video. All right, you guys, so we got our Apple Watch right here, got our flipped upside down. We were just cleaning it off, but we got it on like a little microfiber wipe right now. But let's move it to the side and start unboxing the smartwatch case. Yeah, this is going to be from KIMILAR. This is, like I said, once again, 5-pack. They call it an iWatch, but I mean, they call it iWatch pretty much because it's like iPhone. But imagine if the Apple Watch is called Apple iWatch. You know, that's weird. So anyway, pull the thing out right there. Looks like we got an all black case right here. We got us a clear one with a black border. Another one was pretty much the same. I thought they may have been different, but they're all the same basically in here. And we got 2 more black ones, so that's pretty cool. They gave us a microfiber wipe, of course, you know, to go ahead and clean off the Apple Watch itself. So we'll go ahead and scrubby dub that one more time, just to make sure we got that all clean, which that should be clean anyway. Then we got us some wet wipes and dry wipes. So once again, like I said, this is going to be a screen protector, so therefore, you know, we need to go ahead and, you know, wet this thing actually up. And oh, I almost dropped my life. $500 almost went down the drain, bro. So we're going to go ahead and, do I actually want to wipe this down? Yeah, let's go and wipe it down just to be on the safe side. So we'll take one of the wet wipes and the dry wipes and be careful with it. Just make sure we got that all, you know, down packed. If I can get it out. Okay. You think wipes are always so small when they get sent, so I was like, bro. We'll go ahead and wipe this down right here. Got that all cleaned up, and take one of these dry towels. And we're gonna dry this bad boy off. And then I guess we're gonna go ahead and apply, let's see, I got a blue watch, so I think I'll do the clear one. Yeah, we'll do a clear one, and I want to almost say, like, it feels like that one of these are like more rounder than one of them, but I mean, they're both the same size. Something is definitely different. I'm not for sure. I don't know, you know, if anything is different. I could just be over exaggerating perhaps, but something definitely does look a little bit different between these two at least, but who knows, man. But let's go ahead and pick, let's go ahead and pick this one right here. We're going to put this one right here on. All we got to do is go to the back of it and take this little tab off. Put that right there. And match it up with the watch. So my watch got the little dongle right there. So we'll just close it like that. And snap it. Boom. Easy peasy like that. Of course, you can tell that there is a case over it. But I mean, overall, I mean, it looks very sleek to me. I'm just going to go ahead and clean this off just in case. It still does have its touch capabilities. I can type in a fake password if I want to, and it still touches everything. So that's that. And let me put it on and make sure that I actually like it, you know, so I can keep it on. Oops. I'm like, I may not be putting this band on right, but who knows. I always get these things mixed up as well, but yeah, I got mine on properly. So yeah, man, but what I'm going to do is, you know, pretty much just take this out with me and get it, you know, get a better feel for it, because the one that I previously had, I got this from T-Mobile, from my phone company, I should say, for like about like $16 or whatever, and it's okay, it's rubber, but it's very noticeable and it doesn't protect my screen. I'd rather have my screen protected more than, you know, the outer bumpers, and this is what this does. It protects the outside of it more than the screen itself. So I think that this is going to be a great product for it. The link will be down below for this product as well. It's less than $10 for one. You get 5 of them as well. So if you're not feeling this, or you do want to go all black, you can switch it out. They do have other colors. This right here, this set specifically is for the 45mm. They do have a 40mm option. I'm pretty sure they have several other ones as well. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.